Hi, folks. My name is Priyank Sharma, and I myself and Tharak has done this project. This project is for deep neural network systems, and we have trained this car using deep reinforcement learning. We have trained it for more than 8 hours, and we ran almost 1,700 episodes to train this car. And we have used convolution neural network as a model uh, for deep reinforcement learning. And this car can, as of now, the current model can score up to 500, sometimes 600. But that is an average score of, we get over the 100 episodes, we get an average score of 600. Let's wait and watch until it completes one round of 500 or 600. So look here, we got almost 500 scores, and here it goes to 600. So we have achieved a score of 635. Thank you so much, guys.